So you've created an amazing app. Step 2, getting the world excited about it. Promotional videos are a great way to spread the word about your product and create some buzz amongst potential customers. Today, we're going to share 10 of the best mobile app promo video templates from Envato Elements. These clips are designed to be easy to customize and create a high-quality video that will stand out from the crowd in mere minutes. So, let's get into it. Number 10, App Promo by NewMotion. In need of a simple yet dynamic clip to promote your app? This kit has tons of content to take advantage of, from cascading phone screens that display various app features to eye-catching callouts, headings, and banners. Its trendy character pairs excellently with an upbeat pace of movement to create a visual experience that's sure to drive downloads. Number 9, App Promo by Ocean Animations. With a minimalist design and contrasting color palettes, this video's theme really draws viewers' attention. It has a super lighthearted and bubbly feel, which is ideal for mobile apps that cater to convenience and productivity markets. And its different scenes allow you to promote several app features or highlight the most important one. Number 8, App Promo by Harry Creative. Designed with iPhone apps in mind, the next item in our list feels like an Apple promo on steroids. The video template uses high-resolution graphics of phones to feature different app screens, while engaging side panels and text elements add an extra layer of depth to the content presented on them. Number 7, App Promo by Renstock. If you're a fan of the minimalist and elegant presentations of high-end phones, then you will love this template, as it follows the same presentation format, with various speed ramps and glossy 3D renders. Your app will be presented on a minimalist, elegant background, allowing its features to stand out. An elegant template that you won't want to miss out on. Number 6, App Promo by DreamMotion. This mobile app promo video template was crafted with purpose. It wastes no time engaging viewers with slick phone displays, transitions, and text headings. Best of all, the clip has several placeholders to incorporate direct callouts, which is perfect if you're looking to provoke specific actions from your viewers. We're already halfway through our countdown of the 10 best app promo video templates. Now's the perfect opportunity to check out where all this great stuff is from. Envato Elements is a digital library with millions of assets for creatives like you. It includes everything you need to take your projects to the next level, like motion graphic templates, royalty-free music, and stock videos. You can find a link to the website in the description below. Number 5, App Promo by Million Frames. Million Frames created a kit so versatile that it's more of a toolkit than a template. This pack includes 26 scenes, 30 screens, and 20 text layers, each with a unique camera movement and minimalist background that will give your video a professional finish. Number 4, App Promo by Bubble Dance. Immerse viewers in a modern and digital world of wonder with this next app promo video. Its high contrast aesthetic, paired with catchy transitions and shining color wheels, make it the perfect choice for mobile-focused projects. Download this pack and take your customers on a colorful journey. Number 3, App Promo by Mr. Reporter. If you're looking to stand out, then this mobile app promo video template is definitely worth considering. The pack uses an exciting mix of animated shapes, lines, and text to hook your viewers in, then further elevates the experience with shots of up-close screens and converging phones. Number 2, App Promo by MotionEye. With this app promo video, your app's features will steal the show. The clip has several shots of both landscape and portrait device layouts, a white elegant background, notification placeholders, and 3D rendered phone mockups with customizable reflections that will give your promo an elegant and professional finish. Number 1, Mobile Promo App Promotion by Boost Motion. Did someone say smooth style? Well, you'll certainly see it in action with this top-notch app promotional video template. It incorporates sleek transitions, looped backgrounds, and glossy phone mockups to create an easily digestible video that can be used to promote almost any type of app. And just like that, we're all the way through our countdown of the 10 best app promo video templates on Envato Elements. Did you have a favorite clip or style? What phone model do you think is best for promoting apps? Let us know in the comments below. As always, we highly encourage you to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn notifications on for more great Envato content. We'll be back soon, but until then, why not check out the video to the right of your screen? Catch you there!